Hello, my name is Colton Schnaitter and I am a digital design engineer with IntelliProp. Today I'll be introducing you to our NVMe Bridge Platform IP product. So an IP core and an IP product is a licensable logic function that can be used as a building block within an ASIC or FPGA design in a wide variety of applications. IntelliProp's NVMe Bridge IP product is an NVMe function that provides connectivity to an NVMe endpoint such as an NVMe SSD and an NVMe host, such as a PC or server. User logic can be added to the platform to enable features such as encryption or data compression. So today, I'll be covering an overview of the NVMe Bridge Platform IP product, including where the NVMe Bridge Platform IP product can be used, the key features, and the block diagram. I'll then show the hardware setup for the reference design and run a brief demo, and I'll review the performance for the demo. IntelliProp's NVMe Bridge Platform IP product provides a flexible and extendable high bandwidth solution for bridging between industry standard NVMe storage devices and NVMe hosts. The IntelliProp NVMe Bridge Platform provides a low latency interface for moving commands between the NVMe target and NVMe host IP cores and for moving data through user logic between the PCIe endpoint and root complex IP cores. Direct RTL hooks allow simplified connectivity between user state machines, while a baseline register set gives the system processor control over flow management and error handling. The NVMe Bridge Platform IP product can allow customers to insert high-performance data caching, intelligent data compression algorithms such as data duplication, NVMe SSD RAID engines or namespace aggregation, or data encryption. Included in the IP package is a hardware reference design with scripted flow for project creation, synthesis, and implementation, a set of reference firmware, encrypted HDL for synthesis and simulation, support for model sim verification model, and 6 months of support. So here we have our block diagram. As you can see on the left, there is the PCIe or NVMe host, which connects to the NVMe target core and command accelerator. The hardware data path, the read and write commands, flow through the user logic in the middle, which a customer can use to insert data encryption, data compression, that sort of thing. On the right side, the buffer and command translator in the NVMe host formulate commands that are sent to the SSD on the right side. And then for read commands, the process is reversed. Data flows from right to left back to the NVMe host. So the key features of the NVMe Bridge are that it is fully compliant to the latest NVMe Express IP industry specification. It has automated initialization processes with the PCIe hard blocks, automated command fetching, parsing, submission, and completion, scalable I/O queue depth and number of queues, flexible user logic with decoupled front and back end interfaces, processor and state machine interfaces to minimize latency, submission queue command context error prevention, and command manipulation or pass-through operational modes. So now I'll be running the demo for you. What we have here, I'll start the demo and then I'll describe it to you. So what we have here is our host PC connected via the PCIe cable, Xilinx VCU118 development board. This holds our NVMe Bridge IP product. Then on this end we have a Samsung 970 Pro SSD acting as the NVMe endpoint. What we're using is the FIO benchmarking tool to run a series of commands demonstrating the performance of the IP product. And on this side we have another computer displaying our debug UART prints. The performance for this test, as you can see in this plot we're displaying, the bridge itself has a performance that is somewhat dependent upon the size of the commands sent from the host PC. However, performance for both reads and write commands peaks at around 2.5 megabytes a second. This is slightly slower than the SSD manufacturer's supplied metrics. Today, we outlined some of the features and benefits of the NVMe Bridge Platform IP product and demonstrated the performance capabilities of the IP. The key points that I'd like you to remember of the NVMe Bridge Platform IP product are high throughput hardware acceleration, simple user interface and easy system integration for reduced development time, and scalable and configurable design for any application. So if you'd like to contact IntelliProp, by email you can contact us at info@intelliprop.com, by phone at 303-774-0535, or you can look at our website at www.intelliprop.com. Thank you for watching.